Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're someone who loves experimenting with curls but hates the frustration of awkward angles or uncooperative styling tools, you're in for a treat today. We're about to dive into a review of a product that promises to make curling your hair easier, faster, and more effective. The Hot Tools Pro Artist 24K Gold Curlbar Curling Wand. It's got that coveted 24K gold barrel, and from what I've heard, professional stylists swear by it. Let's find out if this tool can live up to its professional reputation. First off, let's take a closer look at this curling wand's standout features. The 24K gold barrel isn't just for show. It actually plays a major role in the wand's heat distribution, ensuring your curls come out consistent and well-defined. Gold has excellent heat conductivity, meaning it heats up quickly and holds heat evenly, which is a game changer for a quicker styling experience. This wand isn't just about looks, it's designed with ergonomics in mind. The unique, innovative design makes it easier to handle, reducing strain on your shoulders, wrists, and elbows. I mean, curling your hair should feel effortless, not like a workout. Plus, the high heat capacity, up to 450 degree Fahrenheit, ensures you get long-lasting curls, whether you have fine, thick, or coarse hair. In terms of versatility, this product really delivers. You can use it like a traditional curling iron for those classic bouncy curls, or wrap your hair around the barrel to create waves or beachy looks, all with one tool. Whether you're after defined curls or softer waves, it promises to cater to different styling preferences. As I tested it, I appreciated how smoothly it glided through my hair. The quick heat up time means you can get to styling faster, which is perfect when you're in a rush or just want to get your hair looking good without spending forever on it. The curls lasted all day without losing their shape or volume, even in humidity, which definitely impressed me. Now onto the pros and cons. Let's start with the pros. The 24K gold barrel really does work wonders for even heat distribution. I found it easy to create smooth, uniform curls, and it didn't take long to get the style I wanted. The ergonomic design is a definite win. My arms and wrists didn't feel the strain that I sometimes get with other tools. The fast heat up time is also a huge plus, especially for those busy mornings when every second counts. It heats up to a maximum of 450 degree Fahrenheit, which is fantastic for getting curls that hold and last all day. On the flip side, the wand is a bit on the heavier side. It wasn't a huge issue for me, but if you're someone who prefers a lighter styling tool, this might feel a little cumbersome over time. Another point to consider is the lack of a clamp, if you're used to the traditional curling iron style with a clamp to hold your hair in place. For some, this may take a little getting used to, but I actually like the freedom of using it as a wand and wrapping my hair around it. As for value for money, Hot Tools has built a solid reputation in the industry, especially among professionals. The long-lasting results and easy-to-use design make it a solid investment for anyone who curls their hair frequently. It's not the cheapest option out there, but the quality, especially when you compare it to drugstore alternatives, justifies the price tag. In terms of build quality, the wand feels durable and the gold barrel adds a touch of luxury. It's built to last, and I didn't notice any wear after several uses. Whether you're using it daily or saving it for special occasions, I expect it will hold up well over time. If you're looking for a similar tool at a slightly lower price point, the Conair Infinity Pro Curling Wand could be a good alternative. It doesn't have the 24K gold barrel, but it offers great heat and styling results at a more budget-friendly price. Now for my final verdict. The Hot Tools Pro Artist 24K Gold Curlbar Curling Wand lives up to the professional hype. It delivers on its promise of long-lasting curls with a design that makes styling easier and more comfortable. If you're a beauty lover who curls your hair often, this tool is definitely worth considering. It's versatile, easy to use, and gives you the kind of curls that'll last all day without dropping or losing shape. If this review was helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so that other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this one. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.